Leg and foot cramps can occur for various reasons, and pinpointing the exact cause can sometimes be challenging. Here are 8 common causes of cramps in the legs and feet. Dehydration. Lack of sufficient fluids in the body can lead to electrolyte imbalances, affecting muscle function and causing cramps. Mineral deficiencies. Inadequate levels of minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium may contribute to muscle cramps. These minerals play a crucial role in muscle contraction and relaxation. Muscle fatigue. Overexertion or prolonged use of muscles, especially during intense physical activities, can lead to muscle fatigue and cramping. Poor blood circulation. Conditions such as peripheral artery disease, PAD, or sitting in one position for an extended period can reduce blood flow to the legs, causing cramps. Nerve compression or irritation. Conditions like sciatica or compression of nerves in the spine can lead to cramps and discomfort in the legs. Medication side effects. Certain medications, such as diuretics, statins, or antipsychotics, may have side effects that include muscle cramps. Inadequate warm-up or stretching. Insufficient warm-up before exercise or lack of regular stretching can contribute to muscle tightness and cramps. Medical conditions. Various medical conditions, including diabetes, kidney disease, and thyroid disorders, can increase the likelihood of experiencing leg and foot cramps. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional if you experience persistent or severe cramps, as they can help identify the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment or lifestyle changes.